Welcome to a Kaching training video. In this training video, we're going to be talking about the Manage URLs page. To get to the Manage URLs page, first click Manage Projects from the top navigation menu. The Manage Projects page is going to display all of your available projects. Simply click the desired project you wish to open and click View Project. Alternatively, you can just double-click one of your projects. And this will take you to the Manage URLs page, which it will say in the top right-hand corner. Think of the Manage Projects page as a list of folders, just like you might have a folder on your desktop. This folder here is labeled Kaching. When I double-click that folder, it opens up that folder and it shows me all of the sites, all of the contents inside that folder. You will easily be able to tell which folder or project you've opened because it will display it at the top of the Manage URLs page, right above all the URLs below. Now here, on the very right-hand side, there'll be a little up arrow. Let's click this so we can more easily see all of the URLs under this project. For this page, this is where we're going to enter in new URLs, such as new blog posts, articles, or any content I post on the web that's related to the Kaching project. I'm going to add under this tab, under the Manage URL section. And to add a new URL, I'll simply click Add New, which will take me to the new URL wizard process to add in a new URL. To get more training on the URL wizard process, just go to the very first page, or any of these pages, and click the video training icon, which will take you to a specific video about adding in new URLs. On the Manage URLs page, it will display the title, the URL address, the shortened down URL if you created one, and how many hits that those shortened down URLs received. You can customize this page and display just the elements that are important to you by going to Settings, then go to Manage URLs, and then you can simply check off things that you don't want to see. Let's get rid of displaying URLs, for example. And you can see now it just displays the title, short URL, and hits. So feel free to go under Settings and customize this any way you like. Now, a helpful tip: when I add in a new URL, I label the title something very simple for me to understand, such as PK Site, SSL Update. So I know this is an article I wrote on the actual Kaching website, and I know it's the article SSL Update. I'll do these a similar format for any time I add a new URL, such as FB fan page, Kaching. So I know I submitted and promoted my Facebook fan page for Kaching. This is a great organizational tip so you can keep track of exactly what elements you've used Kaching for. Now you can add in as many URLs and promotional material under a project as you like. There's no limit. I create several projects for each niche, though. You can see on the Manage Projects page. I'll have a parts, bike seats, Kaching, handbags, all the different niches that I'm in. I'll create a specific project for that niche. And then in that niche, that's when I'll add in all those URLs by going to the Manage URLs page. You can delete any of these by simply clicking one of them and selecting Delete, or Edit, which will allow you to then go in and change in any of the titles or information that you had originally entered. This has been a video on the Manage URLs page. I hope it has helped you, and feel free to go to more of our training videos to learn how to properly enter in a new URL under a project.